Jake, I'm gonna need your help. What's up? Bob and John's fire truck need an oil change. I'm right with you. Come on, let's go. Alright, you ready for this? As ready as I'll ever be. Okay. I'll do the new one if you'll do the old one. Okay. Okay, Billy, you doing okay? Huh? Careful, this thing is unstable. Alright, I'm going under my engine. Let's see. Alright. Okay, loosen the oil filter and... Billy, help! Help! I'm coming! Oh, John! Stop that! Ow! Pull me out! Pull me out! Ouch! Okay, you're pretty stuck in there. Very funny. Get me out of here! Hold on. I'm gonna get the winch. Okay. Alright. Pull him out of there. I'm trying. Just a minute. Just a minute. Alright. Thank you. Ow. That was weird. I guess I didn't have the lift on right. Let's try that again. Okay. Now I'm going back to the fire truck. Hopefully that won't happen again. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Alright, let's see here. Oil drip pan is in place. Loosen this. Okay. Alright, got it. Whoa! Whoa. That was close. Okay, oil drip pan is in place. Catching oil. Alright. Good. Okay, now let's replace that oil filter. Billy? Hand me an oil filter, will you? Sure thing. Okay. Not the dirty oil filter from the other fire truck. Oh, sorry. Here's a brand new one. Thank you. Now. Okay. Done. Okay. Put it down. Let it down. Now, how did you get yourself all oily? Ha ha, very funny. Anyway, I'm finished. Are you almost finished? Yeah, let me just tighten this last nut. Okay, that's done. Okay, thank you. Let her down easy. Well, you don't look any worse for the wear. Very funny, Billy. Very funny. On to the movie. Here we go. Chief Fire Station. A peaceful station. Where everybody is friends to one another. But then, all that was changed. Ted, this nonsense has gone on long enough. Bob and Chief have had their heyday, but they are getting ready to be in a world of hurt. So, I need some ideas. Do you have any? Whatever it takes to get Bob and John off our back and their two little puppy dogs. You know, I have been smashed, my bottom has been broken, and my arms, well, you can see that I am not in the best of shape. We have got to think of something. And whatever it is you've got planned, let's do it. Okay, but we have to wait until like Bob and John, Chief and Spot are alone. We can't kidnap them. Alright then, let's just go with your plan. Okay, but we'll need some supplies. I'm not going out there into that area unprepared. What? It's just the hallway. No, Mrs. Potato Head. We're not going into the hallway. We're going out into the backyard. The backyard? That's right. The backyard. Okay. Then let's do it. Let's just do it before I say no again. What are you talking about, Spark? I mean, it's not like... Okay. Here's the deal. Oh wait, no. Our owners are here. Hey, Bob. Hey, John. What's going on? Nothing, Chief. What are you guys talking about? Oh, nothing. The nerve. If we're gonna strike, Mr. Potato Head, now's the time. Alright, I'm with you. Okay, this is a covert operation. You have to be like a stealth. Ha ha. Shh, quiet. Just a regular day. Nothing to worry about. What the? Ah! Ah! No! Ha 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 ha! Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Put me down! Put me down! Ah! No, don't put me in the... Ah! Let me out of here! We win. Come on, let's go. You are coming with me, John. Now, prepare to be demoralized. No!